Hello friends, good evening all of you. Today we are going to see about the concept, it's a probability in discrete mathematics. So what is the concept and what is the questions, how we are going to work out, and depends on that PYQs also we are going to see. So before itself I told you, just whenever we are going to see the concept, with this one we are going to cover full and full PYQs. Not only this one, this is a mathematics, okay, but apart from that, unit 2, unit 3, whatever subjects we can take, it's a paper 2 and paper 1 also. While seeing the concept itself, just we are going to cover PYQs. So after that, we have, apart from that, we have this full and full previous PYQ session also will be there, because this is a separate session, okay. Okay, today we are going to see probability. Probability is a branch of mathematics. They'll deal with the chance of the event occurring. So it is used to measure the uncertainty and predict outcomes of random experiments. Not this one, it's a proper one. It's a randomly it will give experiments. So probability is a numerical value between 0 and 1 that represents a chance of event occurring. So 0 means here impossible event, 1 means certain event, between zeros and ones means possibles or possible events. So mathematically where P of E is a probability of event E. So next one, what is random experiments? A random experiment is an experiment whose outcome cannot be predicted with certainty before it is performed. So here example we can say tossing a coin, rolling a die or dice, and drawing a card from deck and picking a ball from bag, or anything we can take. For example, now we are going to see first one example, coining a coin toss. Coin toss, for example, we can take it a this one coin. Here just head and tail. Okay, yes, we have this one head and tail. That apart from that, we have to see what is 2 coin toss, 3 coin toss, and 4 coin toss also, because from that part we'll get a question. And rolling a diamonds, it will be 6 actually. That we know. Okay, first one we can see here. This is very important thing. Just I'll mark and I'll tell you. So here P of A is a P of A equal to formula N of A divided by Ns. So whatever we are saying the formula discrete mathematics, sure, after the this one full cover this one, after covering the syllabus, sure I'll post in the WhatsApp group full and full formulas. Discrete mean discrete formulas. So whatever subject we are taking, that's important formulas and important definitions, the word file, sure will passes through the WhatsApp group. So here N of A divided by N of S. A is the event. N of S means what? Total number of samples. First one, just one coin tossed. Just you can take head and tail. So then number of samples, how much? 2. So this is 2 power 1 meaning. So what is the value? This is just one 1 by 2. Okay. 2 coin tossed. 2 coin tossed means what? Is equal to head tail, tail tail. So suppose 2 coin tossed, it's okay. But again, we will move on to the 3 coin tossed and 4 coin tossed, means we can go through that the same table, the octal table as well as the hexadecimal table. It will be very useful for this one, because we know already how to write the table in digital fundamentals. Even second unit, we are going to see the table again, actually. Okay. So this is the same thing. What is 2 tables? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So we can write this one head head, and this head tail. This is tail head, and this is tail tail. Like this we can make it. So number of yes, what is N of S equal to 4. Okay, what is how to write this one? This one the same thing, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. This octal table, how to write, even I'll tell you in the hexadecimal table itself now. You can make it 0 as everything head, head, head. So automatically you will get your answer this one. So depends on that, because we need actually using this one only, we are going to select how many heads or how many tails that we are going to calculate now. Okay. So if it is possible, you are going to write directly, it's not a problem, we can write. Okay. So before the starting the sums, actually problems, just we can make it 4 variable also. So 4 variables, actually I told you 8421 code we can make it, it will be good. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes. So up to 15 we have this hexadecimal table. This is, we know that already. Okay, now how we are going to write this, just I'll tell you. First 0 means you can write 0, 0, 0. 1 means you can write, where is 1? 1 place. 1 place you can put 1, other place 0. 2 means what? 2 place you can put 1, other place 0. This is 8421 code, just this is writing. 3 means you can put 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. So 1, 1 you can write, other place 0. Fourth place what? Fourth one, fourth place you can put 1, other place will be 0. Fifth, 5 means what? 4 plus 1. So this one here 1, here 1, other place 0. And 6 means what? This one 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 we can write. So 1 plus 1, sorry, 4 plus 1, 0, 0. 7 means 4, 2, 1. You can add it, 4, 2, 1. So 0. Next one, 8 means what? Here you can put 1, other place will be 0. And 9 means what? 8 plus 1. Yes. So 1, 1. Other place will be 0. 10 means what? 8 plus 2. So here 1, here 1. So other place will be 0. So like this we can add it. So 11 means what? 8 plus 2 plus 1. So here 1, 1, 1, 0. 12 means 8 plus 4. So 1, 1, 0, 0. 13 means 8 plus 4 plus 1. 8, 4, 1. So here. Here 14 means 8 plus 4 plus 2. Okay, you can add it, you will get 1 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1, this one. So 15 means 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. This is the method actually we have to write. Okay. Apart from that, easily, suppose if you want to write fast, means just a simple trick, I'll tell you. You can put a first one 80 and 81, then 4041, 4041 and 00111111 and 01010101 alternative. That also we can write, but actually this one 8421 we have to calculate. While writing first time it will be different, but you can manage within 2 or 3 times. Okay, the same thing now, 0 you can, everything you can make it head like this. Okay, so 1 you can make it tail. This is the procedure to write the inputs, because we need to write, we need to know how to write the inputs actually. Okay, we can move on to the sum now. Dice, actually we can throw one dice. Die means actually this one, just we can take 3, 6. If thrown 2 dice means actually 1 comma 1, like this we will get 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3 up to 1 comma 6, 2 comma 1, 2, 2 comma 6 up to 6 comma 6. That is 36. Okay, so this is the meaning, that also we have to know. These are the inputs, that's all. Suppose for example, if you want to throw coin or dice, or we have to know the inputs. Okay, what is the formula of the probability? Means P of E equal to number of favorable outcomes divided by number of number of outcomes. Nothing but already I told you, N of A by N of S. That's all. N of A means number of events by number of this one, samples. Okay. For example, even numbers 2, 4, 6 is there, means P of E what? So 3 by total number favorable outcome 3, total outcome 6 means 3 by 6 equal to 1 by 2. We will see the sum actually. We will see the sum. 3 coins are tossed. The probability of getting at least 2 head. At least 2 head what? At least 2 head means, so let A be the event getting at least 2 head. So this, you know how to write this 3 numbers. So this we have to write from the 3 table value. Now N of S equal to what? Totally 8, octal 8 values. So down number of samples 8 and at least 2 heads means here minimum 2 heads. Okay. So here 3 heads also we will cover, 2 heads also we will cover, minimum 2 heads. maximum anything will be there. 2, 3 also it will be there. So 2 head, 2 heads. Here it won't come. It won't come 1 head. It won't come. It won't come. Totally 4 it will come. So 4 by 8 equal to value 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 will be the answer. That's all. Okay. So next one. This is one more sum. If A and B are two independent events, P of A is equal to 0.5 and P of A union B is equal to 0.8, then what is the P of B they are asking? So here what is the formula we have to understand? P of A intersection B equal to, actually first we have to know this both the things are this formula and this formula. So P of A union B is equal to formula P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So P of A plus P of B, okay, minus P of A intersection B. So now we have to calculate what is the P of A intersection B. This we need to apply P of A dot P of B. P of A dot P of B. This we have to write. Okay, so P of A and P of B. This one plus. Okay, now what is the P of A value they have given? 0.5. P of B value we don't know. Just we can put P of B. Now P of B you can take it's a common value. Here P of B, here 1 minus P of A we can put up. So 1 minus P of A. Okay. Now 0.5 plus P of B 1 minus 0.5. So what will happen? So here already here P of A union B is equal to 0.8 equal to. Okay. So P of A union B they have given. So 0.8, this 0.5 you can make it this side 0.5 equal to P of B 1 minus 0.5 0.5. Now here 0.3 equal to, divide by this 0.5 we can make it here. So P of B. Now 3 by 5 what is the value? Just you can make it 0.5 in 3 into 0.5, make it 10. So value will be 3 by 5. 3 by 5. So what is the value we will get? 0.6. So here this is 0.6 value. So already we have given this everything, this is a calculation. But anyway, just I told you because of that working, it will be better and we can understand. Okay. So this is the probability methods. Still we have probability concept, a little bit sums we have. We can see this one next class and we can start another concept also, graph theory. Okay, I hope it is understood. If it is not clear, again I'll tell you. Well, every videos I am telling the same thing. If you're not understanding, you can put it in the comment box also. You can ask your doubts. Apart from that, you can I have given the WhatsApp group in our channel. You can join together. You'll get lots of ideas, lots of posters like important question, definitions, tables, and formulas. Everything I'll post in the WhatsApp group. Make use of it, and thank you all of you. Just to subscribe my channel and you can use it. Thank you once again.